Hi everyone. I just want to make a quick video discussing the study guide and the first midterm that we have coming up for chapters 1 to 3. I just uploaded a copy of the study guide that you can use to practice and review, and it's got answers in there to check yourself while you're working through it, and also some concepts to help guide your studying in terms of reviewing certain types of topics, etc. So with that said, I'm just going to walk you through generally how to access the study guide and work through it, etc. So here I am on the front Canvas page. I'm going to click into view as a student, so it looks more like what you all see. So here we are. And in order to get down to our midterm, we've got a midterm 1 link. Note that the midterm will be given in class on paper. This is just an assignment that shows up for that. So nothing to do there. Do bring a Scantron. I'll have some extras, and they give them out for free at the front desk. So you're not out of luck if you show up without one, but if you could have one ahead of time, that would be great. So here is the study guide link. So if you can click into that, you'll see 2 separate download spots. And the first link to download is a click here to download a copy of the midterm 1 study guide in Excel, and then a copy in PDF. So let's take a quick look at those. I'm going to download the Excel version first. All right, here is the Excel version opened, and you'll note there's a beginning tab here that is just a listing of concepts to review. So you can go ahead and review through those. Those general concepts will help you mostly answer the multiple choice questions. A lot of these topics can be found in your notes. So, review back through your notes, review the highlighted, kind of the key takeaways from the chapters, the PowerPoints, just your in-class work. But really, hopefully, this provides you kind of a guide to point your direction in a specific, your attention and everything when you're reviewing in a specific direction there. And so just kind of high-level things to review. And then I've got a number of these different problems that are the different practice problems that will kind of correspond more to the types of written work that you'll do on the exam. And then there's a tab after that. So just for all you who are still learning Excel, this is how you click through tabs. So the first tab is the concepts. Then the second tab here is the first problem. So you can work through and do your answers directly into the spaces here in Excel. And then there's a answer key tab following each one of the problems. So blank problem to practice in, and then you can have an answer key here to check yourself afterwards. So yeah, same thing. You just click through, and there's a whole listing of problems that will break out practice sections for you to fill out. So try your best to fill these out, because on the exam you're not going to have a specific answer key, obviously. So just practice and check yourself there, and that should work well, hopefully. Okay, and then back onto Canvas. I'm going to download the PDF copy, very similar, but just in PDF form. So let's do that now. And here we can see it opened up in our tab here, or our browser, and you can see basically the same thing. So the first page has concepts to review. Oop, didn't mean to do that. And then as you review through, you'll see blank pages just like we had before. So if you're not comfortable working in Excel, this can be a way you can print this out and then do your work by hand. And again, it includes the answer key, so you can check yourself. If you want to, you could just print out the blank pages if you want to save a few pages, and maybe keep the answer key in electronic PDF format to check yourself against, etc. If you want to, this is on my version of the browser. Note that you can zoom in and out. It's a little bit small sometimes if you're looking at it that way. But overall, this should give you what you need if you want to print that out and work through the study guide, which is the same exact thing as the Excel, just all in one PDF document, not with individual tabs. And obviously in a PDF, not with the ability to input directly like you can in the Excel version spreadsheet. So, all right, well, I'm going to close this out there, and that takes us back to our study guide module. So again, that was down in the exam 1 section, and we'll spend a little bit of time practicing and reviewing terms and concepts prior to taking the exam as well, so that'll get a little additional practice time additionally, but primarily the full class period will be devoted to the exam. So hopefully this is helpful, and reach out. Let me know if you all have any questions as you're studying, and good luck studying and good luck on the exam. All right, thanks everyone.